It's not already we completed the variables. Why variable? Variables are used to
Data.
store the data. Na?
Yes, sir.
Variables are used to store the data. What is function? Can you tell what is
Business
function?
logic.
Particular
Yes.
business logic or not? Particular business logic called as function. Collection of
The
variables and
talking.
functions. Collection of variables and functions we can call class. Collection of variables and functions called as what? Called as class. Fine. Now let me say this one. For example, this is our directory now. Yes. No. May I know, can you please tell me how to switch to our branch? I want you to switch to our branch. View terminal na? View terminal. What is our branch name? Anyone? What is our branch
Batch
name?
3.
Git
It
checkout.
checkout.
Checkout batch 3 na? Git checkout batch -3. Automatically we can check out the branch. Now let me create one file. I need you to create one file. 0 minus 04 minus oops.py. Fine. Now try to say this one. Let me add the information here. Yeah, say this one. What is class? Can I tell class? Collection of very basic level definition. Team. I don't want you to go for the too much basic level definition. I need you to tell. Collection of variables, variables and functions called as class. Fine. And one more point. And how to declare the class? We will declare the class with the help of class keyword. We will declare the class with the help of class keyword. Say this one. Here I need you to go through the point. Class is the keyword. Ravi, class is the keyword. Class is the keyword used to declare the declare the class. Class is the keyword. Class is the keyword used to declare the class. And one more point. And how to create empty class. I want you to create empty class. How to create it? Pass is the keyword used to declare empty class. That's I explain all the points again. What is the point number one? What is class?
It's a collection of variable and function
Variable
called as a
and function.
class
Collection of
and
variables and functions called as the class.
function.
Ravi, respond here. How to declare the class? How to declare the with the
And
help of which
it's a
keyword?
keyword class.
Class. Class is the keyword. All the people team, please unmute yourself. Class is the keyword. Class is the keyword used to declare the class. Got it or not? And another thing. How to create empty class? I want you to create empty class. How to create empty class?
By
Pass is
using
the
the pass
uh,
keyword.
pass is
Pass
the keyword.
keyword.
Pass is the keyword used to create the empty class. Pass is the keyword used to create empty class. Fine. Yeah. And one more point. Yeah. Ravi, if possible, please unmute yourself. Yeah. Ravi, for example, this is one class. Assume care. This class loads into memory or not. Whatever the class is there, this
Yes.
load into memory or not. Memory. That memory we can call object. Got it now? All the people tip. For example, Ravi, you done the line number one, line number two, line number three, line number three. You done 1,000 lines of code. This code will load into memory or not? Shiva will
Yes.
load into memory.
Hmm.
It will occupy 0.1 KB memory.
Yes.
That memory we can call object. Got it now? Whatever the memory we have, that memory we can call object. Dasari, do I need to repeat again? Are you okay?
Okay. Okay.
Say this one here. So indirect words I need to tell. Here we can create object. We can create object to the class. we are able to create object to the class. Fine. Yeah. Thusly, try to say this one. For example, I have one variable num1 equal to 100. Okay, na? Fine. I wanted to create 10 objects. Inside the memory, I wanted to create the 10 objects. Object 1, next one, object 2. Sorry, in our point of view, what is object? Memory or not?
Yes, sir. It's memory.
Memory. Say this one, object 1, object 2, next one, object 3, next one is the object n. Number of objects are there. Object 1, object 2, object n. Number of objects are there. Yeah, that's why I say this one. I wanted to share this num1 to object 1. Same num1 to object 2. Same num1 to object 3. Same num1 to object n also. Object 1 modified. Coming to the object 1 modified. Num1 equal to 1000. Who done the changes? Object 1 or not? Object
Yes.
1 done the changes. These changes won't affect to object 2, never affect to object 2, never affect to object 3, never affect to object n, never affect to object 1. Who done the changes? Object 1
Object
done
one.
the changes. Object 1. Will it affect to other objects?
No.
That is
No.
that is called as the instance. What are the theory I told? The theory we can call instance. Got it now? See this one. For the instant, a separate copies will available or not? This is the copy 1. This is the copy 1. This is the copy 2. This is the copy 3. And this is the copy n. Number of copies are there. Copy 1 changes won't affect to copy 2. Copy 2 changes won't affect to copy 3, copy 4, and copy n. Number of copies. Got it now? Then that concept we can call instance. Fun. See this one? Yeah. Uh, in instance, in instance, multiple copies are created. Multiple copies are created. One copy changes. One copy changes may not affect to other copies. Then this concept we can call instance. Fine. Yeah. All the people, please unmute yourself. I'm requesting all the people, please unmute yourself. Okay? All the people, I'm requesting all the people, please unmute yourself. Deborah, please join on time because every day no not possible now. Fine. Say this one. You should join all the people team. Join all the on time. Fine. Yeah. Now, Dasari, tell me here. What is class
It's a collection of variables and functions.
called as? Class.
Class.
Ravi, how to declare the class? All the people team, please unmute yourself. Don't be in the muted mode. How to create the class?
Using keyword class.
Class is the keyword. Class is the keyword. Use it to declare the class. Team. I want to create empty class. How to create empty class?
Pass using the pass keyword.
This is the keyword. Pass is the keyword. Use it to declare the empty class. Next one. Memory. The memory, technically what do you call? Object.
Object.
Memory, technically we can call object. Fine. In case of instance, Ravi, Vivek, unmute yourself. In case of instance, one object change may not affect to other object.
Another
May not
object.
affect to
Another
other object. Then that concept we can call instance. Fine.
instance.
Theoretically leave it, team. I'm requesting you theoretically leave it. See the technical part. Fine. Yeah. Team, how to create one
Sir,
class?
sir, multiple copies are created.
Exactly. Multiple copies will be created. Yes, exactly. Can I explain that point again, Ravi?
Yes, so multiple copies means which copy is that?
Object multiple copies will be created here. I will tell one example to you. Ravi, for example, you know Xerox copies, Xeroxes. Xerox, like
Yes, yes.
the Xerox is Ravi, you have one paper. That paper you can take multiple Xerox copies or not?
Yeah.
Yes or not? Ravi,
Yes.
after taking the Xerox, your friend done the changes in the copy one. Your friend already done the changes. Will it affect to copy 2, copy 3, copy n?
No.
That is called as the instance.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Thank you.
At least you got the clarity now. That's yourself respond here. Are you okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Okay.
say this one. Dasari try to say this one. Number equal to 100. Ravi, by default, this copy we can call instance. Deborah, how many lines of code we written? 2 lines of code, na?
Indians.
Respond. How many
Yes,
lines of
yes,
code?
yes. We write
We have
on
Two
two.
2 lines
lines.
of code. Deborah, these 2 lines of code will load to memory or not? Hard disk or not? Hard disk or RAM? I wanted to know that location. How to know it? See this one. obj1 equal to obj1 equal to test. Dasari, this obj1 we can call memory. Got it or not? Fine. Inside the memory, which variable we have?
Num1.
Num1. We have one
One, sir.
variable, then that variable we can call the num1. Got it now? Fine. Try to say this one. Ravi, read that num1. Is it a memory? Answer, is it a memory copy or not?
Yes, it's a memory.
Inside the
Yeah.
memory, which variable we have? Num1. And store that num1 to X variable.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm repeating again here. Ravi, respond here. This is what memory copy or not?
Memory copy.
Yes.
Inside the memory, which variable we have?
Num1 variable.
Read that num1 from memory. How to read it? Say this one. obj1. Inside the memory, we have one variable. Which variable? Num1.
Num1 variable.
Num1. And automatically it will return the 100 or not. Store that 100 to X. Now see this one. Print X. Now, how to execute the code? How to execute the code? Python. Python.
04
04
oops.py.
04 oops.py. Yes. What is the answer? Answer is the 100. Do I need to repeat again? Do I need to repeat again, Dasari? No. How to create the
No,
class?
no,
How to create the class? Anyone? Class. What is the
Class.
class name?
Class keyword.
class.
Test. Class name.
Okay.
What is the class name?
And
Test class.
variable
Which
equal to
variable we need
value.
to take? Num1. Num1 equal to what?
Equal to
100.
100.
Num1 equal to 100.
100.
How to get memory location? obj1. obj1 equal to test.
Object equal to
obj1 equal to test. Automatically we can get the object team. Inside the object we have the num1 or not? We have the num1. How to get that num? X equal to what you wanted to place obj1 dot
Object
num1.
dot.
X equal to obj1 dot num1. How to print it? Print what?
Perfect.
Print X.
int x.
Simply we should be in a position we need to print the X. Yes. What is the answer now?
100.
Yeah.
What is the answer? Answer is the 100. Fine. Team execute the code. First dummy example. First example. Once completed, give the confirmation. Team, can I go to the another example? Can you help me? Can I go to the one more example?
Yes.
Along with me, please practice it, not later. Along with me only. Yeah, Rahman. Good evening, Rahman. Say this one. And here, example 2.
Hi, good evening, someone.
Good evening. Yeah,
Let me
yeah. Say this one. Rahman, how to create one class? Class test. Class test. Now, num1 equal to, then let me take the 100 only, not an issue. Num1 equal to 100. Fine. Rahman, how to create the object? obj1 equal to test. Fine. Now, do the changes. This 100, I wanted to modify to 1000. Ravi, this 100, I wanted to modify to 1000. Say this one. obj1 dot num1 equal to 1000. Rahman, internally what happened? This 100 will be deleted. This 100 updated with what? Updated with what? 1000.
Only object one. Okay.
1000. Who done the changes? Who done the changes? obj1 or
Object one only.
object 1? Object 1 done the changes, but it never affected to obj2. Say this one. Let me create another object. obj2. obj2 equal to obj2 equal to test. Say this one. obj1 changes won't affect to obj2. obj1 changes won't affect to obj2. Now check the proof. Now obj2 dot num1. Num1 and store that data.
Num1.
Want to store x and print it. Print x. Yes, answer is the 100 or not? Answer is the 100. Here say this one here. Himanshu, who done the changes? Himanshu, who done the changes? Hare Ram,
Object
respond. Who done the changes?
Object.
obj.
Object two, sir.
Is it affected to
Who is
obj2?
changed? No, sir, not
No,
affect.
not. That is called as what? That one what we call instance.
Instance.
obj1 changes won't affect to obj2. obj1 changes won't affect to obj2. obj2 changes won't affect to obj3. Then that concept we can call instance. What are the concept is there? Then that concept we can call instance. All the people, team, please execute along with me. All the people. Yeah, Ravi, do you know online editor? Online editor. Because if you have the setup ready, if
Yes,
you
sir. I'm using VS Code.
already you know, no? Already you have the idea, no? Installation and everything.
Yes, yes.
Okay, done. Rahman, yourself also. If you have the setup ready, no need to worry. If you don't have the setup, today execute with the online editor.
Yeah, I have the editor. Yeah, VS Code. I'm using it, but I'm little bit new to that class concept. Yeah.
Yeah, one second.
After some times I new.
Yeah,
Yeah, so I can.
one second. I will do something here. Online Python compiler. No, use this compiler for today. After the class, our team will connect with you. They will give the complete setup to you. Yeah, can you click that link? Directly type the code. Fine. Can I explain the simple words, team? Whoever feeling like a difficulty, can I explain the simple words again? Are you okay, or do I need to go the still simple words regarding the class? Reply to my team. You people need to talk with me.
Sir,
Hmm.
సార్ డే టు డే లైఫ్లో క్లాస్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్గా ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా మనకి?
అంటే ఎట్లా అండి?
అంటే ఇప్పుడు డైలీ
చూడండి,
లైఫ్
for
ఏమైనా
example, say this one. For example, you went to DMart. Coming to yourself, you went to one DMart. In the DMart, you purchased one item. Okay, na? That item DMart people will place into one cover or not. This is your cover.
yes sir.
Got it? Inside the cover, what you have? What are the item you purchased? That item is there or not?
Yes sir.
Yes, you need to think like that. Team, let me go through another example. I need to go through another example. Example 3. Example 3. Yeah, Rahman, tell me here how to create one class test. Ravi respond. Class test. Class test. Fine. Ravi, how to take two variables? Deborah respond. How to take the two variables? Num1 equal to 200 and num2 equal to 100. 100. Say this one. This 200 store root to num1. This 100 store root to num2. Fine. Now, Deborah, create object to the tester. How to create object to the tester? How to create it? Obj1 equal to test. Rahman, is it your object?
Yes.
Assume that this is the object. Whatever the two variables are there, these two variables by default store to this object. Now, respond again here. Obj1 contain what?
Num1 and num2.
Exactly. Read it. Deborah, read it. Read num1 and num2 from the obj1. Read it. How to read it? Try to say this one. Now, obj1 dot num1.
Num1.
Store that data to one x variable. Fine. Dasri, see this one. This is 200 stored to x. Where you are bouncing, I don't know, Dasri. Where you are bouncing. Bouncing now?
No sir, no sir.
Yeah,
Continue
see
sir.
this one. Now, this is 200 stored to where?
X sir.
X.
How to read 100? Y equal to
We could
y equal
object
to
to
OBJ1
dot
num2.
dot num2. Obj1 dot num2. X contain what? Anyone?
200.
X contain what? 200.
200.
Y contain what?
100.
100.
Y contain 100 here. Yeah, now see this one here. Addition. Add equal to x plus 5. Add equal to x plus 5. 200 plus 100.
300.
300
300.
300
So
store.
add
Add. And
Add.
display it. How to display it?
print
Print,
of
print format of addition. Addition colon. Addition colon. Print format of addition colon. Add. Now run this one. Addition is the 300 or not?
yes.
Now, team, do the subtraction also. How to do the subtraction? Sub equal to respond. Sub equal to
X minus
x minus 5.
X minus 5.
Multiply equal to x into y.
by
Division equal to x by y. Do all the four operations. All the people do now. Hmm.
సార్ మనం ఒక క్లాసులో రెండు టెస్ట్ ఫంక్షన్స్ వాడుకోవచ్చా? టూ డిఫరెంట్ టెస్ట్ ఫంక్షన్ అంటే రెండు డిఫరెంట్ ఫంక్షన్స్ వాడుకోవచ్చా?
Why not? I will show it. Why not? In the first two
Okay, sir.
examples, I taken only one variable now. In the
Yes.
first two, now I am taking how many variables? Two variables. Now, next example.
Variables.
Next example, I will go for function. Next example, how to initialize it dynamically. I want to initialize dynamically. One by one, all the examples I need to show it.
Percentage.
But only one thing, you people need
Last
to.
mode కాలేదు. Bold చేసుకుంటే.
No. Team, once done, give the confirmation. All the people, all the examples, never compromise team, never compromise. In the group, please check it, team. From tomorrow onwards, team, you have the this openings links also. Like in the Hyderabad, I think around 3 companies they offered the Chennai positions. Then tomorrow onwards, team, we will share that links also. Hare Ram, are you practicing now? Hare Ram?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
No. Dasari, go for the subtraction, go for the multiplication, go for the division also.
Okay,
Hare
sir.
Ram, today, just to try yourself today, and
Yeah, yeah,
right.
I'm running with you.
Yeah,
I'm trying to run with you.
yeah. Akash, kaisa hai Akash?
Good, sir.
Are you practicing na Akash?
Yes, sir. Practicing.
సాంబా ఒక డౌట్ ఇక్కడ
శ్రీనివాస్ గారు చెప్పండి.
నమ్ 1 నమ్ 2 మీరు ఇన్స్టెన్స్ వేరియబుల్ అన్నారు. సో ఇక్కడే క్లాస్ లో మనకు ఎక్స్ వై కూడా వేరియబుల్స్ కదా, అవి కూడా ఇన్స్టెన్స్ వేరియబుల్ అనుకోవచ్చా లేదంటే?
These variables are out of the class. If it is inside the class, then your point is right. For example, if I declare here, then your point is right. But I declared out of the class or not? Yes or not? Is it inside the class or outside the class? Outside the
Okay,
those
outside
are
the class.
just normal variables, not more than that one. No,
We're calling from the class. Okay.
exact normal variables, that's it. But if you place line number 33, then your point is valid. For example, if you place x equal to 1000, then your point is right.
Okay.
Because the x are related to test.
Okay. The object one is object to storing class data.
Exactly.
But X is not the instance. Okay.
Not related to test class.
Test class. Okay.
సార్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ టూల్లోనో మనం ఆ ఎక్స్ వై కూడా వాడుకోవచ్చా? సేమ్
ఎందుకు వాడుకోలేం, బట్ అంటే అవి ఇవి దీస్ ఆర్ ద నార్మల్ వేరియబుల్స్, వీ కెన్ యూస్ ఇట్. We can use it.
And
Then it is right. Object 2 by default contain what? Num1, num2. No relationship between object 1 to object 2. But this x and y we can use inside the object. Possibility is there.
ఓకే సార్ ఇప్పుడు నార్మల్గా క్లాస్లోన విత్ ఇన్ ద క్లాస్లోన ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ 1000 ఇస్తే జెడ్ వాల్యూ 1000 ఇస్తే మనం ఆబ్జెక్ట్ 1 లో జెడ్ వాడి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ 2 లో కూడా జెడ్ వాడితే మనకి వాల్యూస్ అనేవి ఓవర్ రైడ్ అవుతాయా?
అవ్వదండి, అదే కదా, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as the instance.
అది వేరు ఇది వేరు లొకేషన్.
ఇది వేరు.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే
రాసరి యూస్ ద సింపుల్ ఇంగ్లీష్, నో నీడ్ టు వరీ. అది మనకి బెనిఫిట్ అవుతుందండి. ఇఫ్ యూస్ ద సింపుల్ ఇంగ్లీష్ వర్డ్స్ ఇట్ విల్ బి హెల్ప్ఫుల్ టు అవర్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ ఆల్సో. పక్కన పర్లేదు, ఎట్లయినా కానీ చిన్న ఇంగ్లీష్ వాడండి, సింపుల్ ఇంగ్లీష్ వాడండి, కాంప్రమైజ్ కావద్దు. ఓకేనా, ఫైన్. టీమ్, కెన్ ఐ గో టు ద అనదర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్? Reply. Can I go to another example?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Rahiman, line number 31. One problem is there. You are adding the value directly, not dynamically. Got it or not? 200 added to num1 directly. Ravi, 100 added to num2 directly. Am I right or not?
Yes.
But no. See this one. While creating the object, add the data. While creating the object. Now, this is the creating the object or not? Yes, sir. While creating the object, assign num1 equal to 200, num2 equal to 100. So that is my target. Yeah, Rahman, I'm repeating again here. Now try to say this one. I'm repeating again here. Say this one. While creating the object, add 200 to num1, add 100 to num2. Don't hard code like this. Then that concept we can call constructor. Now, very simple point I need you to tell. Yeah, team, example 4. Yeah, Dasari, how to create the class test na?
Yes, sir.
Dasari, try to say this one. Definition
num1
underscore init underscore definition underscore init underscore self comma I need to pass the param1 comma I need to pass the param2. Not only param1, param2, we can pass the dasre1, dasre2. We can pass the x, y. We can pass the a, b. Anything we can pass it. Now, try to say this one. Here, self dot num1 equal to self dot num1 equal to param1. Self dot num2 equal to self dot num2 equal to param2. Param2. Tim, tell me how to create the object obj1 equal to obj1 equal to test of 200 comma 100. Now, team, say this one. Whatever the 200 we have, this a 200 store root to where?
Cell
Param.
param1.
This a
Param.
100 store root to where?
Param.
This a param1 store root to where?
Num1.
It's a param2 store root to where?
Num2.
Finally, num1 contain what?
Param.
Num2 contain
200.
what? Num2 contain
100.
100.
100.
Are we initializing while creating the object? Are we initializing while creating the object? Yes, we are initializing while creating the object. How it's possible? With the help of constructor. Underscore
What is self here?
Self is the brand for the instance. If I see the self, for example, here we have the self is there. Na? If the self is there, then Python compiler recognizing, oh, this is the instance variable. And this is the instance variable. Self representing instance. Got it now? Fine. Now, team try. Yeah, I'm repeating again here. Fine. Team, if you check the previous example, num1 initialize it directly now. Num2
Yes, sir.
initialize
Yes,
it
we
directly now.
like.
Num2
Directly
initialize
inside.
directly now. Num1 initialize it directly, num2 also initialize it directly here. But in this example, what happened here? 200 store root to
Sir, my voice not clear.
now is it clear? Only you
Clear.
or all the people?
Yes,
Only
No,
for me
clear.
clear.
clear na? Voice is clear na?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
it is
clear.
200 store root to
Param1.
param1 store root to
Param1 store to the num1.
na 100 store root to
100 store to param2.
param2 store root to
Num2.
yeah, say this one. Self representing instance variable. By seeing the self, Python recognizing num1, num2 are the instance variables. Now, how to access num1 here? Tell me, how to access num1? X equal to obj1 dot
This is a
num1. Y
1.1.
equal to y equal to
This is a
obj1 dot
1.1.
obj1 dot num2. And multiplication equal to multiplication. Multiplication equal to what? Multiplication equal to x into y or not? X into y. And how to print it? How to print it? Format of what? Format of multiplication. Format of what? Multiplication colon. Colon what you need to place? Multiplication. Got it now? What is the answer we are able to see? What is the answer? Multiplication column 20,000 now? 20,000. Fine. Team, in the example 4, what is the new point we got it? In example 4, constructor. Why constructor? Initialize the instance members dynamically now. Initialize instance members dynamically. That is called as the constructor. Fine. Team, execute the code.
So the self is a keyword, right?
Predefined keyword. Self is the predefined keyword.
And constructor would be defined
Underscore. In it, there's a fixed, but I'm not mentioning. But if I mention here, it will be clear for you. But I'm not mentioning, but I will place it. I will write in the notes itself.
Okay. Init is one of the constructor. We could have many.
Init means constructor only.
Okay. Got it.
Samba, assigning the values at creation of the object
Called as the
constructor, right? I mean, is there any difference? Only memory side only the difference, or is there any other impact or difference?
Definitely, because I will let you know. Here, for example, ATM machine is there. ATM machine.
Okay.
After inserting the card only, dynamically you are entering the value 1,000 or 2,000.
Yes.
Initially in the machine, the number won't be fixed now.
Won't fix it, never fix
That is the example.
But here variables are instance.
Exactly.
Dynamically.
Exactly.
So we can use same variables in another object too.
Why not? Why not? You can use it.
Okay.
My suggestion to you, I will give a simple suggestion to you. First of all, practice this one, then do the in our brain some examples are there, na? And to try it. Without getting this one, never try it. Without getting this one, never try it.
Okay, sir.
Samba, just I need some clarity on that. So you said num1, num2, where it is initialized in the class that is instance variable.
Exactly.
But def underscore init is constructor.
Constructor.
Even constructor also, we can declare num1, num2 as instance variable because you declared as a self.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly.
Okay.
You are providing the explanation. What are the explanation I told in one way, I told here. In our way, you are told the same explanation.
Yeah. Yes. Just I'm clarifying whether my understanding is correct or not.
Correct only.
Yes. Thank you. And one more question, you said that with one class, we create more than one object.
Why not?
So we can declare more than one object and we can add separate variables also, right? Not variables, like we declare separate initial values.
Possibility.
Yeah, 200, 100, you can declare 500, 600 also.
Yes.
Okay. Just a copy of that class. Object
That's
is
it.
copy of
That's
that
it.
class.
That's it. Just like a Xerox copy.
Any number of copies you can create with only one class.
Choices also.
Yes, sir. Sir, we created dynamic variables num1 and num2. At the same time, can we create values dynamically?
Why not? Why not? We can create it.
Like 300, 100.
Why not? We can. Fine. Team, can I go to the another example? Reply. Can I go to the one more example? Can I go for the tricky level team?
Samba, can you help me once? So how can we comment in single?
Select the code. Got it. Select the code. Control question mark. Control question mark. You are using Windows or MacBook?
Windows.
Control question mark. Select the code. Control question mark.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Slash.
Team, can I go to the another example?
Yeah.
Yeah, say this one. Can I go for the little bit tricky level? Can I go for the little bit depth level? Still don't go for the basic level team. Still don't go for the basic level. Now try to say this one. Here. Now I need to go for one more example. Example 5. Example 5. Now go to the tester. Class tester. Rahman, how to declare the constructor def underscore init. Rahman, initially, I don't know which variables I need to create. In the previous example, my manager told me, Samba, go for the num1 number. My manager told. Okay, na? In the previous example. But in the example 5, my manager told. In the future, I will tell it just to create the class. He told like that. Sorry, at present, in my brain, I don't know which variable I need to create it. Okay, na? But after creating the object also, we can create it or try to say this one. How to create the object? obj1 equal to obj1 equal to what? Tester not. obj1 equal to tester. Now also you can create instance variables. Now try to say this. obj1 dot num1 equal to 200. obj1 dot num2 equal to 100. Team say this one. These two variables, whatever the two variables are there, these two variables added to test, added to test just like a instance. Just like a what? Just like a instance. These two variables added to whatever the two variables are there, that two variables added to test as a instance variables. After creating the object also, Ravi, after creating the object also, are we able to add the instance members? Yes, we are able to add the instance members. After adding the instance members, access it. How to access it? X equal to obj1 dot num1. This is the interview question time. In the interview, they will ask this kind of question. Y equal to obj1 dot num2. obj1 dot num2. And do the subtraction. Subtraction equal to x minus 5. Next one, print it. Format of subtraction. Subtraction, and here we should be in a position we need to go for the subtraction. Now run the code. Yeah, Rahman, I'm saying again here. What is our Deborah? While declaring the class, I don't know num1 num2. I don't know. I don't have the clarity on the num1 num2. After creating the object, I wanted to add num1, num2 as an instance. Now, this num1, num2 added like a instance. After adding, we need to access it again. obj1.num1, obj1.num2. 200 store to where? X. 100 store to where? Y. And subtraction equal to x minus 5. Team, execute this code also. Execute it.
And the pass keyword, what it, can you help me on that?
Making like a Rahman nothing. Making like a nothing is there. Initially nothing is there. To tell nothing is there. We will use what? Pass keyword. Pass is the
Oh,
keyword to tell nothing.
okay, got it.
సార్
Hmm.
సార్ సెల్ఫ్ అనేది డైనమిక్ వేరియబుల్స్ కోసం యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం కదా.
అంతే.
మనం ఇక్కడ డైనమిక్ వేరియబుల్స్ అనేవి ఇవ్వలేదు కదా, ఆబ్జెక్ట్ లో ఇచ్చాం.
ఎక్కడండి?
ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ 1 లో ఇచ్చాం కదా.
ఇక్కడ బట్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద we are adding the variable after creating the object, not inside the constructor. If you are inside the constructor, then take the self keyword. Otherwise, not required.
In this class not needed, sir. Self,
Not required. Not required.
but you used. కానీ మరి మీరు వాడారు సెల్ఫ్ అనేది.
ఇక్కడ సెల్ఫ్ అనే కీవర్డ్ లేదండి. ఎక్కడ ఉందండి? ఇక్కడ ఇది అంటున్నారా?
అది
ఇక్కడ ఈ ఎగ్జాంపుల్లో సెల్ఫ్ అనే కీవర్డ్ కావాలి. ఈ ఎగ్జాంపుల్లో ఇక్కడ సెల్ఫ్ వాడుకో, అంటే ఈ సెల్ఫ్ అనేది దేనికి? ఈ నమ్1 నమ్2 అనేది ఈ సెల్ఫ్కి యాడ్ అవుతాయి, ఇంటర్నల్గా యాడ్ అవుతుంది.
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే సార్.
అసలు కొంచెం ఇంగ్లీష్ వాడండి, తప్పలేదండి. చిన్న చిన్న వర్డ్స్ వాడండి, పెద్ద యుద్ధం. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు వాడితే ఇంటర్కి హెల్ప్ అవుతుందండి. మీరు తెలుగులోకి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు మీరు. బట్లర్ ఇంగ్లీష్ అని పర్లేదు, వాడండి, ఏం కాదు.
ఓకే సార్.
Team execute the code.
Sir, pass is acting as a continuation of the statement, or what is that? I mean, is it breaking the current flow?
Can you ask again?
What is the actual role of pass?
Pass is nothing but the at present this constructor contain nothing to tell it, not more.
Okay. Okay. And if we add some more statement after pass in the class itself,
Hmm.
and want to print that item in the object something, then we can do that.
No, we can't place it.
Okay. Yeah.
Can I go to the another example team, or do I need to wait? All the people execute along with me. Don't compromise. Shiprasad, can I have the one more example?
Yes, one.
Yeah, try to say this one. Rahman and example 6.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, how to create a test class. Ravi respond here, how to create test class. Class test.
Last test.
And Ravi, up to now, we are working with the variables or not?
Yes.
Variables. Now, not variable. I wanted to work with the functions, not variables. Now I wanted to work with the functions. How to work with the instance functions? Say this one. Here, definition, addition. Addition one. Let me take the addition one, not an issue. Fine. Yeah. Dasari, is it an instance function? Yes. How to recognize instance function? Self. If a self is present, then this function is the instance function. Now, Dasari, take the local variables. Num1 equal to 200. Next one, num2 equal to 100. And result equal to what? Num1 plus result equal to num1 plus num2. And print what we need to do, print. And here we
Print
should
result.
we need to do print addition colon, and here we need to print the result or not. Result. What is the name of the class?
Yes.
Test class. Test class contain addition one function now.
Yes, sir.
Is it an instance function?
Yes.
Yes,
How,
sir.
how you are saying?
Self keyword.
Because of self keyword. Because of self keyword, you people are saying this is the instance function. Team. This code, whatever the code is there, this code related to addition one. Whatever the code we have, this is the code now. This code related to what? Addition one. Got it or not? What is addition one? Instance of function inside the test class. And how to create the object? How to create the object? Respond. Obj1 equal to
Is one equal to
obj1
test.
equal to test. Obj1 equal to test. And call the addition one. And we should be in a position we need to call the addition one. How to call the addition one? Obj1 dot addition one. Obj1 dot addition one. Automatically we are able to call the addition one. If I call the addition one, output is the 300. Check that one. Yes. What is the answer? Answer is the 300. దాసరి స్పీడ్గా క్యాచ్ చేయగలగాలండి, చాలా స్పీడ్గా క్యాచ్ చేయగలగాలి. ఇక్కడ దాకా ఏం చెప్పాను దాసరి? అన్ని వేరియబుల్స్ చెప్పాను. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చెప్తున్నాను? ఫంక్షన్.
Directly function assigning to the objective one.
అది బ్రెయిన్ కూడా అంత స్పీడ్గా మ్యాప్ అవ్వాలి మీకు అది. గాట్ ఇట్?
Yes.
నౌ
Yes.
దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఇన్స్టెన్స్ ఫంక్షన్. నౌ టీమ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ ద కోడ్. Team, can I go for the one more function? Ravi, are you executing along with me? Deborah,
Yes, sir, executing.
Hare Ram, are you executing along with me? No. Team, can I go to the another example? Yeah. How to create addition to? Yeah. How to create addition to? Class addition to. Class addition to, we need to place the self. Let me go to the self. Self, we need to pass param1, param2. Param1, param2. Fine. Now say this one. Result equal to what you wanted to place param1 plus param2. Result equal to param1 plus param2. Now try to say this one. Print it. I wanted to print it. Yeah. Dasri, respond here. Hare Ram, please respond here. In the addition one, do we have any parameters?
No, sir. No parameters.
In addition to, do we have any parameters?
2 parameters.
Yes.
Yeah. Rahman, addition one, no parameters. But in addition to, we have the parameters. And how to call the addition to? We need to call the addition to. How to call the addition to? Here, try to say this one.
OBJ
one,
dot addition to.
addition to 200, 100. When
Yeah, this one
yeah,
we need to pass the parameter.
exactly. Yeah, Ravi, 200 store root to
Param1.
100 store root to
Param2.
result contain
Param1 plus
Param1 plus
300.
and printing the 3.
300.
What is the
Result.
difference between addition 1 and addition 2? Addition 1 and addition 2. In addition 1, no parameters. Yes or not? In addition 1, no parameters. In addition 2, we have the parameters. Got it or not? In addition 1, no parameters. In addition 2, we have the parameters. Run the code. We should be in a position we need to run the code. Same output, same output. But what is the difference? No parameters and with the parameters. Team, I'm explaining the one more function again. Now try to say this one. Definition. Definition addition 3. Definition addition 3. Here we need to pass a self. Why self? Self representing this is the instance function. Self representing this the instance function. Now try to say this one. Now do the operations again. Care what are the operations we have? That operations I needed to do it again. And here I wanted to return the result. Let me return the result. What are the result is there? That result I needed to return. Return what you wanted to return. Return result. Simply we should be in a position we needed to return the result. Team, do we have any parameters?
No.
No parameters.
Do we have any return type?
No return type.
No parameter, no return type. With the parameter, no return type.
No return type.
With the parameters, no return type. Am I right or not?
Yes.
No parameter with return
Having
type.
return type. Yes.
With the return type. And how to call the addition 3? We need to call the addition 3. How to call the addition 3? X equal to obj1 dot addition 3.
Object 1.
Addition 3. Team. Num1 contain what?
200.
Num2 contain what?
100.
Result contain what?
300.
That 300. What are the 300 is there? The 300 store to x.
X. 20x.
Because of which keyword?
Return.
Return.
Because
Returning
of
result to the
because of
X.
one keyword, then that keyword we can call the return keyword. And how to print? We need to print format of what you wanted to print. Addition of what you wanted to print. X. Whatever the X is there, that the X we need to print. Run the code. Yes. Fine. Can you tell the 3 functions again? 3 functions again, team. No parameter, no parameter,
No return.
No return type.
with the parameter,
No
No
return type.
return.
parameter, no return.
No return.
With the parameter, no return type. And another thing, no parameter,
parameter
with the
with
return
return type.
No parameter with the return type. Next one. And another thing. Definition. Definition what you wanted to place addition for. Addition for self, self. Param 1, comma, param 2. Param 1, comma, param 2. Result equal to what you wanted to place.
Param
Param
1
1 plus
param
param 1
2
plus param. Return what? Return result.
addition.
Return
Yeah.
result. Return result here. Team, do we have the parameters?
Yes.
Yes.
Do we have any return time?
Yes.
Yes or not? With the parameter, with the return
Which
time.
With
return
the
Call the addition for. And how to call the addition for? We should be in a position.
by
Need to call the addition for. Yeah.
object.
200 comma 100.
100
200 comma 100 here. Here can I place the obj1?
dot. Yeah.
with dot.
Here we need to print the, and here we need to print the y. What are the y is there? That y we need to print. Got it now? Now execute the code. We should be in a position we need to execute the code. Same output. Fine. Can I tell the 4 functions again? 4 functions
Yeah.
again. What is the first function? What
No
is the first
parameter,
function?
no return.
No parameter, no return time. With the parameter,
No return.
No,
No
no
return.
no parameter,
Return.
With return.
With return.
next one. With the parameter,
With return.
With return.
all these functions. What are the functions are there? All these functions are instance functions are not.
Yes.
All these functions are instance functions only. What are the functions are there? All these functions are instance functions only. Fine. Yeah, team, I'm committing the code here. Please execute the code now. Just take the 5 minutes after. Please execute it. Git add data. How to commit it? Git commit -m. Oops, started. And let me push it. Git push. I'm pushing that code to the GitHub. From the GitHub itself, you can download the code also. Fine. Now, team, execute the code. Team, before joining the tomorrow class, please practice and join. Give me the free hands, team. And once again, I'm requesting you to give the free hands to go for the depth level team.
Yes.
Please practice it. Please practice it and join the next session. Whoever completed, you can drop it.